Hi friend, welcome back to the craft table at Sunny Mile Studio. Today we're going to work on this winter birthday card, and I've sketched it out so you can take a screenshot if you want. Recently we made a similar card, and this is kind of a variation on a theme, 4 elements with a sentiment. So I'll move this aside and show you how I sketch it. I usually start up here on the left and draw my yarn ball, which is just a circle, and then used to start drawing the yarn strings kind of different directions to make it look like it's all wrapped up. We can give it a little tail. And then the candle, I start with an oval and then bring the sides down and bring those together. And then I'm making one that's kind of got a, kind of looks like a yarn covering. Give it a little flame. And then the tea bag, you just draw a straight line. Make that into a little box. And then the string to another square. I could put a little heart in there. And then the mug, I start with another oval. Curve it down like that. Give it a little handle. And then you can use a stamp if you have a stamp, something you want to put in the middle, or you can handwrite something. Let's go ahead and write in birthday wishes. You could just leave it like that. You could put hearts around it. You could put these little, I'm not sure what these are called, kind of like little twinkle stars. All right, and now for painting. You can use whatever paint colors and combinations you like. I'm going to use, these are some kind of glittery paints that I got when I was first starting. And I'm going to use this dark navy. If you have these type of paints, it's good to wet them and let them sit for a minute to get soaked up. I'm just going to go in and paint. Oh, there's a hair. Do you ever have that? Some hair or dust, lint or something gets in your paint. Get rid of that guy. I got too much paint. Just go around and fill him in. Don't forget the tail. And then I'm just going to use my regular Kuretake paints that I always use. This is the 48 set. It's the big one. And I'm using this blue right here. Fill that in, and then I'm gonna make it kind of a cream candle. And then for the tea bag, all you really need to do is grab a little brown and kind of put a blob in the bottom there. I'm going to switch over to my smaller size 0 brush. And I'm going to grab a little bit of red and put a little heart right in the square there. And then I'm going to take a brown, and I added a little yellow ochre to it. Just add a little more water to it. Make kind of a light brown here. get a darker brown for the coffee or hot chocolate, whatever's in your mug. And let's see, I think that's about done with the painting part. If you want, you could add a little bit of yellow to this flame. Good, I think that's good. Now we'll just, you can leave this as is. You can go back in and put sentiment, like go over the sentiment or any of your pencil marks. I think I'm going to add some gray swirls for the steam and a few polka dots to the mug. And I think I'll go over the sentiment in gray. And I can come back later once that's dry and erase. And you can add a border if you like. You could put like dashes or dots around the edge, or you could leave it just like that. Hope this was helpful to you, and I'm so glad we had some time together today. I look forward to seeing you next time.